Are you struggling to grow your pipeline? Are you looking for more leads? Let me help you. Growth House is a sales engagement tool that streamlines the process, saves you time, money, but also makes your life a hell of a lot easier. I'm going to jump in and show you why you need to start using Growth House today.
Here's the platform. Now, this is what you need to know. That not only do we have the ability to plug in prospects directly from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, but you can also upload a CSV file with any data that either has a LinkedIn URL or email address. Now, if you're using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can start off with send a connection request, or if you have the LinkedIn URLs. Now, what we're doing here is we're having the ability to send mass outbound communication, but also if someone's not active on LinkedIn, we then have the ability to scrape their personal email or enrich their data to find their business email address and then follow up through email. So you'll see here, you're able to source placeholders from LinkedIn to source their company name, their first name, and other data to be able to personalize your outreach. Now, it gets even cooler because you're able to manage all of your incoming leads in one place. So you have the ability to actually build your own tags. And what this does is it gives you the ability to now know where your sales journey is and actually build a pipeline using either your CRM or our Growth House pipeline. So if you use HubSpot, Pipeline, Go High Level, Salesforce, we all integrate with them. Now, what that means is Growth House is the point before they go into your CRM and be nurtured through a funnel, because we want to be able to make sure that they're a qualified lead. So we're not just sending prospects to a CRM that are not actually nurtured beforehand. So you'll see here on the right-hand side that you actually get to see all their information. So here I can actually click on and actually view their LinkedIn profile, or if I scroll down, I can enrich this prospect and find their actual business email and phone number. And then I can actually go down and see their work experience, and I can also add them into a deal. So what that means is if I know that this is a qualified lead and I want to actually make sure that I follow up with them, this is all done within the Growth House platform. The next part that is a little bit of a superpower in Growth House is actually the ability to send more outbound communication than LinkedIn actually allows. So what I mean by this is we've created an API booster. So we're able to actually 5x the amount of outbound communication. So LinkedIn allows 100 connection requests per week. We're able to send up to 90 connection requests per day. Now, this is warmed up over time. It's not something that you actually can just jump in and go straight to 90 connection requests. So what we do is we have a warm-up feature where we can actually increase the daily limit by a certain amount of connection requests. Once you get over 25 connection requests per day, that's when you need to turn on the connection booster, and that's where you can actually see large amounts of outbound communication. The other thing I want you to know is we actually have the ability to connect 5 email domains per user. So what this means is if you don't want to use your actual domain and you want to use alias domains, you can actually warm that up inside our platform. So you'll see here that Alyssa has 1 email, but she can actually add 4 more. So then when we warm up an email address, all that means is it's actually sending verified email addresses back and forth so that your domain can actually be used for large outbound communication. Because if you purchase an alias domain and you create a Google account, you actually can't just then go and start sending mass outbound communication. The next thing I want to show you is a pipeline. In order to actually automate your sales process and have a team that can support you, having a clear SOP to really figure out what your sale cycle looks like and make sure that you actually follow up. So whether that's sending a quote or booking a demo, whatever that is for you, make sure you level out maybe 4 to 5 to 7 stages within your pipeline to make sure that your prospects are nurtured. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Here at Growth House, we're all about helping businesses grow. Thanks so much.